I've been traveling, I'd say, for the last like month or so. And the biggest thing, and I'm be talking about some of the takeaways, right? The masterminds that these two masterminds that I've already gone to is like I think a worth of about $70,000 total. And I've been going through some other growing pains inside of my other couple businesses. And I'll start off with the biggest thing that I think I've learned. And I think it is my biggest blessing, and it's probably holding you back. It's holding me back is my ego. And when I say my ego is holding me back, I always, if someone tells me I can't do something, I'm going to hold on to it. I'm going to do it. I'm going to tell them, fuck you. And then I'm going to go, like, in all reality, I'd like to go buy them a car saying, hey, here's a gift from me, and then keep on pushing and keep on going. But it's held me back from pivoting out of certain things, holding on to certain things because they're doing well, to where if I would just cancel them out, it would free up a lot of emotional and mental space. And that way I could focus on something else, a different vehicle that would take me even closer to where I want to be. And that is something that, like, you don't want to let go of, and I haven't want to let go of because of my ego. But the ego is the only thing that's gotten me here, right? But I truly think my ego is awesome, right? And everybody should have a massive ego. You're an entrepreneur. Your ego is what helps grow and helps feed everyone else who's working with you, working for you. But for me, it's a little bit different, right? And I'm going to run into this. I'll get past this moment, right? And then I'm going to run into it again, and I got to sit there and think about it. But my ego got to a point that was so bad. I'm on the phone with my mentor, right? Having another psychotic episode of why I'm unhappy, why I'm not happy with this business, why this isn't doing that. And word for word, he says, pull your head out of your ass and make the decision you need to make so we can make some more money. That's all. Pull your head out of your ass. It's your fucking ego. Let go of it and let's go. This is why you fucking paid me.